beautiful palette. Time to use this beautiful. Hello everybody, this is Katerina. Welcome to my Katya Beauty Style channel, and today I bring you another palette from Chanel. Yes, I have 4 different eyeshadows, and of course I will create whole 4 videos for you, but today we're gonna use number 202 Tweed Pourpre Collection. It's already on my eyes. I will teach you step by step how I create this look, but I really want you to know what's going on with this collection. It is collectible collection. It is exclusive for 1 month for Nordstrom, and eyeshadow cost $88 in United States, and in Canada will be $103. Collection expired by 4 of fashion house icon Tweed fabric, and let me show you this fabric. This is its fabric, and it is like have a little bit orange here, brown, perfect for fall. And it is also common with 2 different eyeliner, which one I'm gonna use one on my eyelid. And I think this eyeshadow looks so pretty, natural. Remember, I'm already after 40, and all what I try to do to make me look younger. Okay, let's start. Subscribe, comment below, and like I always say, love you more than ice cream. I have a 4 eyeshadow palette from Chanel, and I'm not yet sure which one I want to use today. You know what? Let's do this one. Let's have a little bit purpley, little bit orange, and it looks like it's almost matte colors. Okay, and it's number 202 Tweed Purple. And let me show you on my fingers its colors. Okay, this is it. So far it's this 2, and you can see it looks like a little bit glow on my finger, but I actually I feel like if I'm gonna apply on my eye, it's gonna go like almost matte. Okay, right here it's 4 colors, and let's start. I already have foundation on me, and today I apply on me Untitled from Chanel. It's my favorite foundation because it's giving me nice beautiful glow. And now we're gonna use eyeshadow primer. Today the most products I'm gonna use, of course, from Chanel, but for eyeshadow primer, I feel like they're missing this part. They used to have an amazing one with color, but now they have just almost clear one. Okay, we're gonna use MAC clear, MAC eyeshadow primer, and it's have a color because I have a little bit discoloration, pigmentation on my eye. I want this primer, and then I'm gonna use one more primer, and I'm gonna apply close to my eyebrow bone, because in this palette we don't really have any lighter color, which one I like to put usually close to my brow to lift my brow. And I'm gonna use Anastasia Beverly Hills. I cannot find, but I will. Okay, let's start. First, prepare my eyelid. I have Chanel concealer brush, and it's a double-ended. It's number 105. I have like a blender here, and here it's with synthetic brush, and it's perfect for concealer or for eyeshadow application, or like for eyeshadow primers. This is like so multiple way to use this brush. Okay, this is just a MAC eyeshadow primer, and now I'm gonna use again Anastasia Beverly Hills, where you will see it's little bit more lighter, brighter color, and you can see how big difference. And this is technique immediately will give you a lift. Now I'm gonna fill my brows and I will be right back. I have my eyebrows done and it's time to use this beautiful palette. I'm gonna come a little bit close to you and we're gonna start working. It's gonna be very easy. Remember, I'm after 40 and I like simple, it's better. But I still wanna look young and pretty, okay? We're gonna start with this color and I'm using Chanel blending brush. I will say this color, it's like a purpley red. Ooh, actually it's very pigmented and you can see I applying this is my middle color and just all what I do, I'm not putting anything right here. I am putting a little bit above my suckle area. And we're gonna put a little bit here in the corner of my eye. After applying this eyeshadow, all what I'm gonna do is just blending, blending, blending. Like I mentioned, it looks almost matte on my eyelid. So far, we have only one color with you and I actually really like it. It's like it looks like more like a pinky purpley and it's really make my eyes beautiful blue. And now I'm gonna use same blending brush, clean brush, and I'm gonna use this color. It's a little bit more purpley compare which one we use right now. And you can see difference. This is where we have first color, and this is it's our second color. It's right here, it's in the corner. And now I'm gonna use new eyeliner from Chanel and I'm gonna use on the bottom close to my lashes. I'm gonna use small tiny brush, it's an older Chanel brush, and I'm gonna use this darker eyeshadow in this palette. I'm gonna apply like halfway. I apply on top of my waterproof eyeliner. Now I have a small blending brush and we're gonna use this beautiful darkest color. We're gonna put in the corner of my eyes. Oh, I love my nail colors, it's goes perfectly. And can we believe we're almost done? Now I'm gonna use a big blending brush and I'm gonna just blend eyeshadow. Now my eyes looks very lifted, very pretty, but we need to make few more steps. We're gonna use concealer from Chanel and I'm gonna use concealer brush. It's an older concealer brush, but you can use any brush, and we're gonna apply little bit concealer right here. And you can see a big difference between two eyes, where I put concealer, where I do not put concealer. And then we're gonna put on top this beautiful like a light orangey color. I have a small tiny brush and we're gonna apply on top of my concealer. I'm layering couple times, applying this peachy eyeshadow. It's not intense, it's really soft, and I actually like it because it looks more natural, very natural. I apply this little bit darker eyeshadow on top of this lighter color. It will just look little bit, I will say, like polish or clean, or a little bit different what we usually do. time to use a pencil. I'm gonna use black Chanel waterproof eyeliner, and I'm gonna apply underneath. I'm gonna lift my eye, and I'm gonna just feel this waterline in between my lashes. Now it's time to use liquid eyeliner from Chanel. And it's okay if it's here not perfect. I will show you a little trick, but let this eyeliner dry. Now I'm gonna put a little bit mascara on the bottom and on the top, and I feel we should use today false lashes. Okay, I'm looking at my two eyes. One is a little bit up and another down. Yes, one of my eyes already, one is up and a little bit more saggy or drop it. This is what's happened after 40, but I will use right now Q-tip, and I'm just little bit clean this, and even make this little bit line on my little bit my winky right here, a little bit more softer. And you can see I make little bit mess right here, and again I'm just gonna slightly clean up with my Q-tip. That's it. Okay, I'm gonna apply very little mascara, and then I'm gonna put false lashes, and of course I'm gonna put on the bottom. My eyes, it's done. Lashes did a good job. Eyes, it's pop. And now it's time for concealer, for a little bit blush, highlighter. Girls, if you like this look, please give me a thumbs up. Love you more than ice cream. Subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you want me to teach you something else, you're interested on high-end brand, which one we carry, Nordstrom, reach me. I'll create video just for you. Okay, I have already foundation on my skin. Now let's apply a little bit concealer. I'm gonna just put a little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit on nose, right here. This is my expression line. We're gonna highlight them because it's gonna look a little bit better, less. I'm gonna use little bit concealer brush, also from Chanel. Again, remember we use this for cream eyeshadow, but this one I like to spread my concealer, and it looks so pretty and polished. Now it's time to use powder. Today I'm gonna use transparent La Beige powder. Sorry, it's a Healthy Glow Sheer Powder number 10, and I'm gonna use a puff from Chanel because I have a large pores, and this is powder pretty sheer. I'm just applying just like this on my powder. I'm gonna put a little bit in the back of my hand, and I'm just gonna press, and I'm just gonna set my foundation. Oh, little hair. Oh, come on. And I just like how my skin looks, because again I have a large pores, and it's minimize my pores, and it's powder, it's not heavy, it's do not have much coverage, but give me this beautiful flawless look. I look a little bit pale, and we need to use a little bit bronze. I'm gonna use color Deep, and again from my ear to my lips, halfway, and I'm using a small powder brush from Chanel. I love this brush. You can make like this little bit details and underneath, and I like color Deep. I usually in foundation color 20, but it's not too dark, it's not too light, and if I want a little bit more darker, I can just build color. You can see bronze make a huge difference. Now highlighter, blush, little bit lips, and we're almost done. This is such a beautiful palette. It's very hard to find colors like this. Now look at my eyes. Again, girls, I'm not just like it, I really like it. It looks clean, polish, sexy. Oh, for my highlighter, we're gonna use Chanel number 30 Rose Gold, and I'm just gonna put little bit right here and on top of my cheek. Ooh, so pretty. I love this color. It's very hard to find color like this. And again, I apply like from here to here. I want this glow on my cheek today. For blush, I choose like a pinky color, number 64. It's so pretty, and we're gonna apply it between my bronze and highlighter. Okay, I decide to go very soft on my lips because I know it's gonna keep me young. If I will go with a darker color, this will look pretty but will age me, and this look will look way more, I will say, evening look, and I just still wanna keep softly sexy. For my lip liner, I'm gonna use number 162. Oh, my best customer just texted me. I need to answer, maybe not. Okay, what did I talk? We talk about I'm gonna use lip liner 162. It's very neutral, very soft, and then I'm gonna use this also soft lip color from Chanel number 62, and it's a long wearing lipstick, and it's like lipstick lip gloss together. I'm gonna fill all my entire lips with this lip liner. Now it's a lipstick time, and you can see how very natural and soft this, and voila, young, soft, pretty, sexy, it's me. Okay, we finish this eye look, beautiful eyeshadow, this limited edition, remember. And if you're not yet subscribed my Instagram, subscribe Instagram, because what's happened, I will say create look and I will put in a reel and you will see it, my look. And usually next like week or 2 weeks, I will always post it whole entire video on my YouTube channel. Like I always mention or saying, love you more than ice cream, appreciate for all your love, and I will see you in my next video.